MCA Countdown number 10. Which of the following is an irrational number? Which now tells us that 3 of the 4 are rational and only 1 of them is irrational. Fraction is going to be rational. That's not a problem. The square root of 39, nothing multiplied by itself gives you 39, so I'm guessing it's going to be this one. Let's just verify. 7 times 7 is 49. Yep, that is out. And then any terminating decimal is also rational. So the only irrational one is the square root of 39. Next, I'm looking for linear or nonlinear, so I'm focusing on my x value. If x is to a power of 1, which it is a linear equation. Over here, SC is to a power of 3, which means it's going to be an S shape. It is non-linear. Now, find the distance between these 2 points. You've got on your formula sheet your distance formula, which looks like this. Subtract my x's, and then I'm going to subtract my y's, square them, find their sum, take the square root of the entire thing. So my x's are at, looks like this is at 3, 3. And this one here is at -1, -2. So my x is 3 minus -1. That's going to be 4 apart, so 4 squared. Looking at my y's, 3 minus -2. That's going to be 5 apart, 5 squared. So I'm going to take 16 plus 25, add those up, it's 41, take the square root of 41. And it depends on the situation. If they just want it to be left in as simple as possible, this is your answer. If they want it to the nearest tenth, you just go to your calculator and say, what is the square root of 41? It's about 6.4. Now, just another reminder, if you would have preferred to do this using Pythagorean theorem, it still would have worked out. If I use this as my hypotenuse and use this as my A and B, then here's my 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what that number right there came from. Now here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what that number came from there. So 4 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. It'd be the same result. Either way would give you the same answer. My suggestion would be, if you have ordered pairs, use the distance formula. If you don't have ordered pairs, use Pythagorean theorem. Next one, which is graphed on the number line. I see this is filled in, so it's for sure not going to be B or D. Now I'm just checking, is this greater than 4 or less than 4? It appears to be greater than 4, so it is for sure going to be C. Uncle Jim gave Emily $50 on the day she was born and $25 each birthday after that. So this is a one-time event. That'd be my y-intercept. This is happening over time. This is my slope. So y equals 25x plus 50. Turns out that would be A. And the last one. Use the trend to approximate the total cost for 6 extra toppings. So I have some points in here. I have a trend line. So I'm going to look up here at 6. It's right about there. So I'm going to say it's between $5 and $6, but closer to $6. I'm going to estimate about $5.75. Somewhere in that range. And that is all for the MCA Countdown.